My name is Emilio Smeke. I represent Industrias T.TAiO, which is a Mexican company, and I'm based in Los Angeles. This is my second time, and I'm very happy to be here. I found it very, very good to be in this particular event. Well, I think that I saw the quality of buyers and I wanted to give it a try, and the fact that it's only a 2-day event, it made it simple for me to attend, and actually it worked out. Well, there's 2 reasons. With all honesty, I won an award, which I was very surprised. Some of the buyers decided to vote for one of my products, and there was an incentive for me to come and receive the award. I'm happy that I did. Throughout the 20+ meetings that I had in the first event, I was able to narrow down 2 really important distribution companies in Europe, and that led one into business. Definitely that was the incentive as well to participate again. I would say that this is a very good starting point to opening up a new market, and I would recommend definitely to attend these Stamegna shows because it's cost effective, it is time effective, and it's also very easy to attend and is well organized. Well, I think that they need to understand who are they going to be meeting with, try to be ready for the markets that they will be presenting, and of course try to be innovative and not just to bring themselves without energy. They have to be really passionate on what they do and really know who they're going to be meeting with so they can really save time. That's number 1. And number 2, of course, take really good advantage of the networking time that you have with the buyers the night before or during breakfast or lunch. I think that everyone in the organization is very accessible, which makes this event very nice to attend. And also, I think that continue to keep this quality of buyers and sellers is going to make Stamegna really very different to any other type of show in the industry.